That's my custom cruiser view, but you can hear BDL belt drive for a shovel. Okay, this is a used one. I bought in the States at Bike Week. Okay, cracking bit of kit, very well made. You know, BDL proper CNC billet. This isn't cast like a lot of the, won't mention any countries, but the copies are made. Okay, very well made. As you can see, it's got the Gates HTD belt, which is like a proper high tensile belt. Okay, you can see here, this is the stock system with a lot more than normal. A lot of people only use 4. Okay, this one's got 6 in. You can see here the bring gears like good. Spline shafts. This is obviously Shovel Early Evo. I imagine fit Early Evo as well. But cracking bit of kit. And you can see here the belt's good. The whole thing's really good condition. If you're interested in this item, give us a bell. 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com, the website. You will see a lot of stuff soon. I mean, originally they said it's going to be April, May, June, going on. I'd say August the new website should be done, which will have masses and masses of stuff on. Okay, like this, the used stuff. This is all, I've actually lent that to someone, but I've ordered a new one, or a set, so there will be a new clutch dog, as they call it, in there. Okay, if you're interested, like I say, email sales@customcruisers.com, your best bet, because we do answer that. All this social media, your WhatsApps, your messengers and that, I'll be honest with you, there's that many of them now, I'm losing track. So if I don't get back to you on that, please email sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.